Welcome to the American Dream Planner Quick Training. The focus of this session is to explain how you can save your information for your clients. We are using the retire early scenario. In the American Dream Planner, there are two ways to save information. One is during your working session, and the other is to save it permanently to the information that exists for the client or to save the information as a new scenario. To explain, I'll click to the expenses, discretionary for reoccurring, and we'll create a new expense, for example, purchasing a car. To see the results of this information, let's click to the tables for expenses, and in our discretionary expenses column, we'll have the car purchase be an amount of $20,000, and we'll have it occur beginning in the year 2012, continuing to the year 2030, and we'll have the expense for every 3 years with a 4% inflation factor. Now notice we have a Save button up above, and when you click the Save button, the item now appears in the grid. But saving it in the grid using this Save button up above saves it during the working session, but does not save this information permanently for this scenario. If I wish to save it permanently, you click the File button and the Save As button. And here you have a choice to save it into the database so that each time you pull up the retire early scenario, then this information will always appear. Or I can save it as a new scenario, so without having to type on all the information that you had from before, we can simply make one or two changes, save it as a new scenario, and that's your choice here. You, of course, can discard the changes, and if you decide you want to lock the scenario so no other changes can be made to it, you can click the bottom button. In this case, I will save this to the database. The software at that point will refresh itself. And now when I look to the expenses, discretionary expenses recurring, here's our car purchase. You can make changes to this car purchase and modify things by selecting it from the grid, editing the button. Let's say the car purchase is going to be only $18,000 per year, and you want to have it occur every 4 years, and now with a 6% inflation factor. Again, saving this to the database. It does not occur when you click the Save button up above, but you again have to save that as to the database.